By now you have learned about Dolce Construction's many services and options for your home and commercial needs. What's more is that Dolce does not stop the services when financing becomes the topic. We understand that clients may not have the cash in hand to do the jobs they want to do. We will introduce you to our qualified agents who can introduce your best financing options so that your home may be the oasis that you want it to be while keeping within your budget. As a trusted friend, Dolce can give you the advice you need to guide you through this process in order to help you make educated decisions. Our clients make the decisions based on their income, budget, and lifestyle choices, and we give valuable suggestions and knowledge based on our experience so that they can stay within their budget and make their dream become a reality. We can put you in touch with one of our finance specialists who will go over all your options. At Dolce, we believe life is sweet and we want your dreams to come true. Call 1-877-888-3084 today.